At first, it felt unreal. One second, you were checking your bank account like normal, and the next, your screen showed a number nobody had ever seen before: $1 trillion. You stared at the screen for almost a full minute, thinking it had to be a glitch, but it wasn't. Within hours, your phone exploded with notifications. Banks started calling. News channels mentioned your name. Strangers online began tracking your private jet routes, even though you never owned one before. And suddenly, the entire world wanted something from you. But the scary part wasn't the money. It was what came after it. Because the richer you became, the quieter people around you got. Friends acted differently. Employees stopped making eye contact. Even family members sounded nervous around you. It felt like nobody saw you as human anymore. Then one night, you received a message from an unknown number. No profile picture. No name. Just one sentence. Now they know who you are. You laughed at first, until your house light suddenly turned off. Outside your mansion, black SUVs slowly pulled into the driveway. No license plates, no headlights, just dark vehicles waiting silently in the rain. And somehow, they already knew your schedule. That's when you realize something terrifying. People don't become trillionaires alone, because reaching that level means you entered a world controlled by powerful people, a world normal humans never see. The next morning, your assistant disappeared. No calls, no messages, no trace. But on your desk, someone left a black folder. Inside were photographs of you, sleeping, traveling, watching TV inside your own house. You finally understood. You were being watched. After that, paranoia took over your life. You stopped trusting security, stopped trusting cameras, stopped trusting anyone. Because every room felt monitored, every conversation felt recorded, and every stranger suddenly looked dangerous. Then came the invitation, a private meeting. No address, no sender, only a time. 11:47 p.m. and one warning. Come alone. A black car picked you up that night. The driver never spoke. The windows stayed black the entire ride. Eventually, the car stopped in front of a massive underground building hidden beneath the city. And waiting at the entrance were people richer than governments. Inside the room, nobody smiled. Nobody introduced themselves. They simply stared at you silently, like they were deciding something. And then, finally, one man leaned forward and said, "Money doesn't make you powerful." He paused. "Control does." That's when they explained the truth. The world's richest people don't compete with each other. They control information, technology, fear, and markets. Money was never the real power. Influence was. But then they gave you a choice: join them or lose everything. Not just your wealth, your identity, your freedom, your entire existence. And judging by their faces, this wasn't a joke. That night, you returned home completely silent. The mansion felt colder, bigger, emptier. You walked past security guards, past luxury cars, past rooms filled with things most people dream about. And somehow, you had never felt more trapped, because becoming the first trillionaire sounded like freedom. But nobody tells you the truth. At the highest level of wealth, you stop owning money, and money starts owning you.